Let's talk about the power of the subconscious mind. Why is it that some people achieve their dreams in life and others do not? Millions has been spent on research, and the answer is so simple. In fact, it's a twofold answer. But let's backtrack a bit. Old Year's Eve. Had a bit to drink, had a bit to smoke. Tomorrow I'm going to stop smoking. And then comes the 3rd of January. Where's the cigarette? Oh, yeah, happened? Or you tell all your mates, I'm going to do this. These are my New Year's resolutions. And what happens? A few days later, back in the old habits. Why does this happen? I want you to think for yourselves. Have you reached all your dreams and your goals in your life? If you haven't, why not? The answer is actually quite simple. Number one is we don't believe in ourselves, and number two, we're not specific. Let me explain this. Do you agree with me? A goal is I want a new car. Do you agree that's a goal? No, it's not a goal. I want a new car isn't a goal. I want a new Mercedes C220 Avant-Garde Sport. Black leather interior, CD shuttle car kit, sunroof, Tiptronic, Parktronic, mag wheels. I want it in 6 months' time. It's going to cost me so much, and I'm going to do this and this to get it. That's a goal. I want a new house isn't a goal. Where's the house? How big? How many rooms? How much? How long? We have to be specific in life. Okay? Why do we give up? Why do we not achieve our goals? Because we give up. We don't believe in our subconscious. So, the answer is you must be specific, and you must get your subconscious mind to believe. So how do you do this? Well, you write down your goals specifically. Stick them next to your bed, stick them in the office. First thing you do when you wake up in the morning, you read them out loudly. You read them at lunchtime, and you read them before you go to sleep. The second last thing you do before you go to sleep. Never mind. Okay, now, you have to visualize them with your 5 senses. Most people never tell you this. It's so easy. So when you get up, you read it out loudly, you smell that new car, the leather interior, you hear the engine. If you lick the bonnet, you can taste the cold steel. Don't laugh. There's a reason for this, okay? You do this. You do it 3 times a day. You know what happens? That after 3 weeks, this becomes a seed thought. It becomes embedded in your subconscious mind. If you really honestly think about why you haven't achieved your goals, it is because we don't believe in ourselves. We give up. The people, ask them, go research it. The people that have become successful have failed more than anybody else, but they've never given up. They've kept on trying. Why? They've had the determination. Why? Because they believe in themselves. It's as simple as this. So you've got to believe in yourself. So what you do is you say your goals, and we come back to this 3-week story, 3 times a day, and you visualize them. So that you embed that seed thought in your subconscious mind. Then, guess what happens? You believe in yourself. And if something does go wrong, doesn't matter. You will carry on. You will try and try until you achieve it. Successful people tried until they reached their goal. You know, when I walked the streets of London for those 2 years, and I wanted to get well known, I went to so many auditions, I thought my name was next. You laugh. But what made me walk the streets for 2 years? I would have walked them for 10 years. It's because I believed in myself. You see, I could smell my audience. I could see myself on BBC television. I believed 100% in it because I had visualized those goals and I'd said it to myself over and over. My subconscious believed. Therefore, every time I got a no, I never saw it as a no, but as one no closer to a yes. And this is how we go about achieving our goals.